Right, so this video is just going to be a summary of the key trigonometric derivatives that we've done in previous videos. So the first one we did out of these trigonometric derivatives, so let me just write a title, trigonometric derivatives. So yeah, so the first one we did was sine of x. So when we differentiate sine of x, we get the result cos of x. And of course, if we just consider the domain of sine of x, well, that is for all x in the real numbers, because the domain of sine of x is every real number. The second derivative we had was the derivative of cos of x. And we found out that that derivative was negative sine of x. And again, the domain of the cos function is every real number. So x is in the real numbers. And the third derivative that we found was the derivative of the tan function. So tan has a derivative of sec squared, which is just defined to be 1 over cos squared. And the domain for this tan function, well, if we think of a tan function, we have asymptotes pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, 5 pi over 2, 7 pi over 2. So all of the odd numbers over 2 times pi, and all of the negative odd numbers over 2 times pi. And so, because these are the asymptotes of the function, i.e. these are the places where the function is not defined. So this function, tan, is defined for all real numbers apart from x, when x is equal to, so 2n minus 1 over 2 times pi, where n is an integer. So for all integers n, where 2n minus 1 over 2 pi is equal to x, the tan function is undefined, but for every other real value of x, the tan function is defined, and so you get a derivative of sec squared. So yeah, that's just a summary of the three key trigonometric derivatives.